going, guys? DragonRC team driver here, Daniel, back with another video. Today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be installing the clutch bell and the clutch bell carrier. We're also going to be installing the FID Racing Dragon Hammer engine mount to go onto the bot to secure it to the base of the Dragon Hammer. So yeah, you guys remember from last time we got the kill switch leads in. I did put some quick disconnects on the carby as well, so that way if we need to take the engine out or anything like that, we don't have to unplug obviously all the fuel lines. We can just basically hit the button in the center, pop them apart. If we need to connect them back up, bang, easy peasy, happy days. So what we'll do, I reckon we'll start with the engine mount underneath. So this engine mount here, make sure you've got both your bolts in there. Sit just like that. And they sit on there this way, just like that. So you will need included mounting gear. Get them started just a little bit. So out of the box, basically this mount, good to go. Push him in as he goes in. Now these are a 4mm. So what we'll do, we'll grab our 3, we'll grab our 4. Got an impactor. And we'll zip. Well, when they want to. We just do it up a little bit until we get both of them in there. Do it up a bit tighter then, that way they don't come out. So that's that engine mount just here installed. You get 2 bolts here. And your nuts on this end here, they're both nylock, which is, you know, better than nothing at all. Really good to have a nylock nut on there. Don't forget, guys, if you want anything that you can see in the video today, hit up dragonrc.com.au. They'll be able to sort you out there. So what we'll do, we'll put our clutch bell on now. So these little red spaces here, these have to go basically like that. They sit, they space it out so it's the correct width. Also lines up with the gearing in the actual FID Racing Dragon Hammer correctly as well. The spaces, we possibly will be installing it into the car today. We'll see how we go. So I like to put these on just like this. Just like that. That all sits on top. Like so. Now these are a 5mm that hold everything together. So we'll change our bit and line these up. Make sure we've got our 5mm going the right way. So when I do it, I like to do a cross pattern. So that's the engine there, ready to rock and roll as you need to go. So now what we're going to do, we're going to install the engine into the car. So you need to remember your spacers and your 3mm bolts just here, you need those spacers. So what we're going to do, we're going to drop the engine into the car, like so. I'll just come around here. And we'll line them up. I don't really put the spacers in correctly first. What I generally do is I put them on the end of the screw. And then I just find a spot and do them up just a little bit. That way you can line the whole motor up. That was a little bit too tight. Still got movement, which is good. Now if you've done all that, you can basically turn the spacers around when you need them, drop them into their spots. Like that. That one decided to fall out a little bit. Pop him back in. That one decided to move too. Again, using the cross pattern. And you just basically turn that. And that's it there. So in the car at the moment, what we've got our quick disconnects. I'll show you how they work. So obviously you've got them at the carby, you pop them apart, and you can connect them like that from the fuel tank to the engine, and then they're ready to go. You can also break them apart as well. If you don't want to lose any fuel, I've done these on the opposite end, so you can connect them together like that. That way the fuel's not going to come out and leak everywhere. Same thing with the carby. Pop in like that. So yeah, the FID Racing Dragon Hammer's coming along very nicely. In the next video, we'll probably be doing the electronics. The engine might be out again to put the electronics in, but we are getting there. Also, big shout out to DragonRC. If you want anything you can see here, jump online to dragonrc.com.au. Also, we'll be powered by the F290 advanced racing engine from CY Engines. Again, if you're after one of those, just pop over to dragonrc.com.au. He'll be able to sort you out with everything needed. If you are looking at a Dragon Hammer or wanting the 1/5 scale off-road bashing or racing scene, head over to dragonrc.com and he'll sort you out. Also, this will be a racing truck coming in the very near future. We've got some slight modifications being done to the body and we'll be ready to rock and roll. So hopefully we'll be able to see you guys shortly on track. Don't forget,